Okay, going to do a quickie video on scrapping out the speed pedal for sewing machines. You're going to get these on pretty much every sewing machine, so you might as well know what's inside them. See whether it's worthwhile keeping them to scrap out separately. This is a more of a vintage or antique one. Going to be fairly easy to open, I would hope. It seems to be just pressure fit or friction fit. But we'll just trim it up first, get the wires off. I've got quite a bit of the 2-strand electrical cord. Let's just get rid of it, clean it up so we've got so it's ready to go to the yard. And there we go. It's all ready. And I keep the plugs, which I scrap later, normally. This one, we'll scrap it out right now. How about that? Let's see. We just open it up. Somebody's taped it shut here, so we'll just... Whoop. Okay, there we go. Open her up. So usually in these plugs you end up with the brass contacts right there. So you can take those out pretty easy. Well, that was very easy. That's easier than I expected. And you'll have to trim those up and take the copper wire off, obviously. Then you got a little bit of garbage. Trash. And then this puppy pops open, or should pop open, thusly. There we go. So it just pops open like that. The cover comes off. A bit of scrap steel or maybe something for sculpture. I'm hanging on to it for sculpture. And basically we've got a grid here. Let's see if there's anything on the other side that's worthwhile. This is all porcelain, so it's got some weight to it. If nothing else, I guess you throw it in your shred pile and the weight will add up. But if you want to micro scrap it out, there's actually a little bit of brass on it. A little chunk of copper there, I see. The screws are steel. Okay. Let's see, a little bit of pressure there. So what do we have inside? Basically a strip of brass right there, right here. And just pop it out. So the rest of it's scrap steel right there. But here's your piece of brass. You'll have to trim that off, obviously. And what do you have here? You've got a little bit of brass and such here. That'll take a while to get at. This will be steel probably. Suspect. Yep. So this will be steel. Little tiny bits of brass. That's about all you've got out of there, guys. So you've got a little bits of brass. If you want to micro scrap that out, I guess you're welcome to. I'm not going to bother this time round. These coils will be steel more than likely. Why don't we test them with a magnet? Yeah, they're attracted. There, that's steel. Well, they might be a stainless. Anyway, it's just generally your coils. They're not copper or anything. So, anyway, not a lot there, but that's what's in it. So, anyway, happy scrapping, guys.